Welcome. Olive oil is a powerful natural ingredient that dates back thousands of years and is an integral part of the Mediterranean diet known for its tremendous health benefits. But did you know that olive oil may be the key to improving men's sexual health as well? 1. Boosts stamina and energy. Olive oil is a great source of energy and healthy fats that support the body to perform its functions better, including sexual activity. 2. Improves sperm quality. Another benefit of olive oil is improving sperm quality. The healthy fats found in olive oil promote the health of animal cells and increase their fertility. 3. Enhances blood flow. Olive oil contains antioxidants and healthy fats that contribute to improving blood vessel health and dilating arteries, which enhances blood flow throughout the body, including the reproductive organs, which is essential for optimal sexual performance. 4. Improves heart health. Maintaining a healthy heart is essential for an active sex life. Olive oil reduces bad cholesterol and increases good cholesterol, which maintains a healthy heart and blood circulation. 5. Increases testosterone levels. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of olive oil may contribute to raising testosterone levels in men, which is the primary hormone that affects sexual desire and sexual performance. 6. Protects against inflammation. Chronic inflammation affects the entire body, including sexual ability. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants such as polyphenols that fight inflammation and help maintain the health of the reproductive organs. 7. Enhances normal sexual performance. Eating olive oil helps improve overall body functions, which contributes to enhancing normal sexual performance without the need to rely on chemical treatments. 8. Helps combat erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is a common problem for many men, and olive oil can be a natural solution to this problem thanks to its ability to enhance blood circulation and improve blood vessel health. 9. Improves mood. Olive oil contains monounsaturated fats that contribute to enhancing mood and reducing levels of depression and anxiety, which are factors that greatly affect sexual health. 10. Boosts fertility levels. Thanks to its richness in vitamins E and K, olive oil can help boost fertility in men by improving reproductive health and supporting sperm quality,